Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Susquehanna Picker. My name is Justin. This is a doozy of a yard sale that I came across last year. I've actually been at this house 2 years prior as well and got good deals. So don't forget to hit the bell for future notifications on YouTube, like this video, and smash that subscribe button to the channel. Don't forget, we still have the promotion too. For every 100 YouTube subscribers, there will be a mystery box mailed out.
What are you asking on a trumpet?
On the trumpet, 20. Doesn't use very much. I just looked it up on eBay. It's a TR something. It's on the mouthpiece and the silver plate.
Yeah, that's just the...
Not on this one. It's on here.
Yeah, I just look at number 7C on the mouthpiece.
TR something, 300, 100, 200.
Give me $20 for that.
It's a good deal.
Yeah, I'll take that.
I've seen them anywhere from 60 and up. Won't let that one go.
What do you want CBs? I see these are priced.
Yeah, that's the better one of them all. The Galaxy. I don't know what the chords are. Probably in the shop from years ago, but the chords are pretty.
Yeah, they're a dime a dozen online, so thank goodness for Amazon, right?
Yeah, really. Yeah, they all work. I mean, I had some extras put in, like the upper and lower panels on this, but they're so old anymore.
LTD, the classics still do pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Turbo classics always do pretty good.
Yeah,
they hold their value.
I think I had extras put on that too. There's a switch that it's been so long. You know, CBs are kind of
it's a dying breed,
I
right?
don't even think truck drivers have them too much anymore.
Pretty cool.
If they do, they put their phone number on the door and you just call them.
What are you asking on the vintage ones?
15.
15.
And it does power on. Just plug there if you want to stride and shoot.
Set these aside. I'll take a look at these.
That one I was going to ask 30.
30. I like the clock on that.
Plug it in.
Let's see.
You know, that's a wonderful thing, isn't it?
I know, right? I'm gonna make a pile because I gotta still look around here. I'll put this on the ground here.
In front of the jewelry.
Now you can see from the video, I've already been cleaning up pretty good at this yard sale. The deals were coming, the prices were good. I negotiated a little bit on a bundle deal at the end of the video. But I had to cut the music off here because they were playing music in the garage, and you know, with YouTube and their copyright things, couldn't do it. Gentleman said he had a train. He brought it out. This is what they had. There were some broken pieces on it, but I did end up piecing it out. But man, the deals on those CB radios were awesome. Made good money. This was the first yard sale stop of that day, and it made my Saturday morning real quick. So once again, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that bell for future notifications, and smash the like button on the video as well. And until next time, keep on picking.